Ooh. All right, hold on, let me see. So we have some goodies, two, but we're only gonna go in for one today. Dang, it's dark. Hold on. All right, now you can see it. We have two. Well, we have three things. We've ordered a lot of stuff recently, but those are all different videos each. But today we're gonna be going over. Hold on, let me fix the ISO back again. Right there. Today we're gonna be going over the. Let me put this down. We're gonna be going over this box today. Whew, I'm super excited because this, oh my god, this shoe, this Jordan 1, you guys obviously know by the box, it's a Jordan 1, but this, oh my god, it took so freaking long. It took so long to get. Like, that thing was absolutely, I think I was in queue waiting on Foot Locker for like, well, it dropped like at 10, I would say, and if I didn't get the shoe till like 2 or like, no, like 1:30. Dude, that is the longest I've ever waited for a shoe. But for you guys to review on the video and also to hold so I could sell it later on. But without further ado, you guys probably already know which shoe it is. It is the what is the Royal Toe? It is the Jordan 1 Royal Toe Highs. Right here, these are absolutely crazy. If this thing is a size 12, this jumbo size, unfortunately I wasn't able to get my size. I was able to get this one and another pair. I got this one on Foot Locker for retail. I got the second pair on StockX for around like $270, I think, somewhere around there, after shipping and stuff. That was before the drop happened. So before the drop happens, the price always tends to dip down a little bit, and then after, people tend to buy a lot because they missed out. But I was able to get this one for retail. The one from StockX still has to come in. But I am going to be holding those for a little while so I could make my money back. Probably like 6 months to a year. Just see. I just threw the whole box on the ground. Just see how they perform. But these, I wish I was able to get a personal. I probably will end up getting a personal from StockX, or if anybody wants to give me a deal on these, I would be glad to do so. I'd buy them off you. But we're not even talking about that. We're talking about this shoe right here in person. This is only my second Jordan 1 that I was able to ever get off retail. The first one was the Turbo Greens. I'll link it right here on the left, right side, this side. I don't know which side it is, but I always forget. But those are the Turbo Greens. I absolutely love those shoes. I regret selling them because I do not want a personal, but resale is so high, it's ridiculous. Yeah, these, so I don't really have a lot of experience with Jordan 1s, like with how they talk about tumbled leather, their leather isn't that good, they're this and that and the third. All I know is that this, I love this shoe, just because the color blocking is absolutely amazing. Like that, just, it reminds me a lot of the Fragments, though the Fragments are like $3,000, I think, last time I checked, if I'm not wrong. But the color blocking is a little bit different on the Fragments. Instead of this blue right here, you have it white, and then this like heel like the back of your ankle, cankle, whatever you got, is black. On this one it's blue, and then on this as well is also blue, but like these two colors right here are inverted. But nonetheless, I think that's why a lot of people love this shoe, because it kind of reminded them of the fragments, and the color blocking was actually pretty good on this one. Yeah, I'm just gonna have like overlay clips just while I'm talking. These originally come with black laces, and if you don't like those, you can always switch them to the blue ones. Probably my one thing, like this shoe is just amazing. Like that's why I keep holding it and rotating it around, because I actually like it. I need a personal, so like I said, if anybody has a steal or a deal for me on a size 9 on these, hit me up. I'll probably buy them. But anyways, the leather, I feel, in my personal experience, which is not a lot, like I said, I actually like the leather on this right here. It does feel a little bit like fake and synthetic in some areas, not all of them. Like this back part right here does feel good. I do have some experience with leather. I have bought some leather stuff, but and like a bunch of other leather items. Anyway, keep getting off track here, but yeah, you have the, I think you see me in the face. You have this blue sole right there. Beautiful, beautiful. This shoe is just so nice. Like that's all I have to say about this shoe. Like, oh yeah, probably my one gripe with this shoe is this right here. I wish this was this like Jordan sign, this Jordan symbol right there. I wish it was maybe in black. I think it would sit a little bit better than this white that just pops out and makes it look a little too crazy. That Jordan symbol is probably my only problem with it, just that it is so white. You have this fat old tongue right here. This big one. It's not fat like per se, but it's just wide right here. But you have this fat old tongue right here, and on the insole it's Nike Air in blue. They typically come in like white or black that I've seen, but yeah, this one's blue. This I'm gonna just grab the other pair. This is overall a really clean shoe. Just the color blocking and everything on the shoe, I personally think they executed it really well. I do personally think that if you hold these like about 6 months to a year, probably even longer, price will go up. Typically Jordan 1s, they always go up over time. Within a year, you'll probably see about like doubled your money after you sell it. That's what I'm gonna be doing with these and the second pair that I have coming in. I'm gonna be holding these for a little while so I could resell them later on and make my money back. And if I don't have a personal pair by then, just by selling these shoes, I will have already made my money back to pay for that personal pair. And it'll probably be my first personal Jordan 1. I don't know yet. I still want some bread toes, a turbo green, and a bunch. I want the unions, like the black toes. Those are absolutely amazing to me, but I'm not ready to pay $1,400 for that pair of shoes just yet. Maybe when this channel gets a little bit bigger, I'll buy them, but probably when we get to 1,000, I'll end up buying them. But like I said, this shoe is amazing. I'd recommend it to anybody if they don't have a Jordan 1 already, or if you do, add these to your collection, because these are absolutely amazing. But that's gonna be it for me, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, the little review of my knowledge, my little knowledge that I have on Jordan 1s. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like on the video. Comment down below if you copped a pair or not, or you missed out and took the L like most of us did. I didn't, fortunately, thank the sneaker gods. And subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Oh no, I ripped the paper.